Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a little different today because I got a question from you all asking about, makeup tutorials or doing makeup in general and progressing and getting better with your makeup, and how my process, how from where I started to where I am now, what was it like? So in response to that, I wanted to show you all the very first makeup tutorial that I ever did. Like, the first makeup tutorial that I ever filmed. I'm going to show you guys that footage today. And it's really short, and the editing is, this had to have been like 5 or 6 years ago. So, but I wanted to show you all, number one, because it'll show you, if you practice, you can get better at anything. Like, literally. I started from the actual bottom, and now I'm in the middle. I'm in the middle somewhere. But I wanted to show you guys that it's totally possible. Even if you're not that good at applying makeup now, you will get better if you continue to do it. I have a lot of tutorials coming up. I have a lot of new videos coming up, but I did want to address this because I know what it's like to feel discouraged and feel like, you're not good at something and you don't know where to go, So I'm gonna go ahead and insert the video, but I did want to make this intro for y'all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you guys want to see, and if you have not subscribed to my channel already, you might as well, because you're already like 45 seconds into the video, so you might as well just press the subscribe button. I do upload videos every single day, so make sure you turn on my post notifications so that you will get notified every time I post a video and you won't miss it. And without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, roll the footage.